How's your summer vacation? I'm taking some time away from our video marketing business down here in the land of Marty Bird, relaxing at the Lake of the Ozarks.
And I'm kayaking here on Puget Sound. Hey, the summers are short out here in Seattle. You have to get out with or without the sun.
By the end of August, when your mind is back in business growth mode, we have some video marketing insights for you. Like, did you know that only 26% of financial advisors report having a defined marketing strategy?
Let's make sure you aren't part of that 26%. At the Chairman's Retreat in Chicago, we'll be giving you some ideas about how to get results from video marketing, whether you've already launched into it or have only thought about it.
Come to our session to watch some inspirational advisor videos and leave with a ready-made lead funnel that you and your team can put to use to grow your business. See you at the Ritz. I'm taking some time away from our video marketing business.
Teleprompter's not running.
2, 1. Come to our session.
Done.
Yeah. Perfect.
All right, so let's make sure we saved it.
Yes.